Hey guys, and welcome to another rational video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we're gonna look into the charts, and the S&P 500 closed at the highest level ever. Also did the Nasdaq top 100, and the dollar is nice and bearish. Exactly how we like it. This is the EOS1, and yeah, on the 1 hour, quite a small time frame, but on a daily, you can clearly see how it is looking great over here. Yeah, another EOS1. I mean, we can take a look at the Dixie real quick. I always cover the Dixie a little bit. The Dixie on the daily should be a reversal over here. However, on the weekly, it is nice and bearish. A nice bearish engulfing on the weekly. This support we have here over here. And what we're looking to do is cracking this horizontal over here. Nice and down to zero. Bitcoin, I mean, what are we looking at right now? So we're having the funding and premium indicator of neobutane, and it gets me a little bit bearish. I have a feeling we need to come down to 40k before we can break 50k. The chart over here is screaming bullish, but the fundings and premiums are not. So what we did over here, after making this high at 40k, we went a couple times back down. We saw fundings and premiums go negative, meaning everybody's short. Everybody and their mama is shorting over here, and that's when we bounce, and we bounce again, and we bounce again. And of course, at one point over here, we got that Elon news, or Tesla news, whoever you want to call it. And that pumped us, of course. Right now, we're seeing premiums and fundings running out of hand again, and I have a feeling we need to come down a little bit to shake out every over-leveraged long so we can go back up. However, I am in a long, I'm targeting upside. My short trigger is if this line breaks over here, or if we make a lower low over here on this one. Other than that, I am very bullish. The chart is bullish, but like I said, fundings and premiums are very high, and could possibly, bring us back down. Possible head and shoulders over here as well. Here's left shoulder, right shoulder, head. And I mean, what are places we are looking to buy if that happens? Well, this is one we're looking to buy. Also, these ones are looking to buy. And possibly, in between you have this one. So yeah, those are all targets. I'm still targeting upside. But if this one breaks, that will be my short trigger or flat trigger. If I don't get a nice entry on a short, I won't do it. I only go for the best. And other than that, it's fine to stay flat. You don't have to trade every day. I assume you are a retail investor. And the luxury of being a retail investor is you do not have to trade always. If you're a professional investor, you sometimes have to trade or have to be in a position. Taking a look at EOS over here. EOS had some fundamental bad news, but the chart isn't showing that. The chart is screaming pure moon. If they break this high over here, EOS is gonna moon. As simple as that. They dumped on that bad news like quite a bit over there. But I mean, the chart is screaming bullish. The chart is looking good. Might even consider a long if they break it over, or this high over here, $5.5. Ethereum, I'm a very big Ethereum bull. I posted these charts on Twitter last night. This is one big channel I'm looking at. And you can see, in the middle line as well, pop above it, pop below it, retest this one. And that's how they do it. Also, this one is a very nice one. Rising wedge, usually bearish, break it up. Another rising wedge, break it up, retest it, and another rising wedge. But the current rising wedge seems to be breaking down over here. Like I said, I'm a very big Ethereum bull. I hold a lot of spot Ethereum. But it is going down a little bit just to stamp on supports, I would say. Nothing too bearish about longer term. Ethereum BTC broke out of this. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let's go to the hourly. Broke out of this one. Right now, probably setting a higher low. Looking very good. Like I've mentioned many times, this is my target over here for Ethereum BTC, 0.053 or 0.055 or something. Litecoin broke out again, made a higher high compared to this one, and right now they're shooting for this one over there, $250. Next one is 300. After that, it's the all-time high, over $400. Do not over leverage on altcoins. I do not like to use leverage on altcoins at all. Zilliqa, one of my followers' favorite, looking very good over here. I posted this chart while we were just over here, and they followed my plan exactly, perfect. Yeah, I haven't looked at this chart like since it was over here, I would say. It was like, yeah, beginning of the year, really start of the year. But I mean, it is looking very great, and I would be looking at taking profit over here if I was in a leverage long. If you're a long-term bull, you're fine, you can keep riding it. If it was leverage, I would take profit over here. Like I said, be careful with Bitcoin right now. This might be a little top for now, and we might go sideways for a little bit before going higher. These are all the support levels. I mean, we can go through it, you know. Best would be to go through it, would be something like this. Boom. And then just not yet touching this one and go up. Why? Because a lot of people are looking to buy over here, and if they miss out, you know, they have to buy higher, and that's exactly what we want. A lot of shorts would be looking to buy over there as well. So meaning those shorts cannot get out, you know, they can get squeezed up to the upside again. And guys, this is not, you won't find this information, like this type of technical analysis with other YouTubers. Please realize that. Please subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, because nobody is talking about fundings and premiums over here. It is, I mean, maybe I shouldn't be either, you know, making you guys way too smart over here. But yeah, let me know if you have questions. If you do not understand what I'm talking about right here with fundings and premiums, let me know in the comments. I'm happy to explain it to you guys. But I'm assuming you guys know. If you don't know, let me know in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. And yeah, if you have any question, want to get in contact, let me know. I'm really not busy at all. I'm just a full-time trader, which means, yeah, like basically the whole day I'm just looking at charts. So see you guys again tomorrow, and happy trading.